Yo guys, welcome to a new video. So a few days ago, I posted an internship vlog and I got a lot of DMs and comments asking कि भैया हम internship कैसे ढूंढे, कब करें, कहाँ करें. So if you watch this video till the end, you will know where to intern, when to intern and how to apply for internship as a law student. And I'm sure इस वीडियो के बाद आपको कोई भी confusion नहीं रहेगी and आपको पूरी clarity मिलेगी. So the first place where you can intern is NGOs. Now अगर आप first year में हो तो I would recommend कि आप NGO में internship करो, but अगर आप second या upward year में हो तो I won't suggest कि आप NGO में internship करो. Now if you are interning in an NGO, what you will learn is basically the work culture, not particularly legal related, but आपको एक ethic जो होते हैं, discipline जो होते हैं, वो जरूर सीखने को मिलेगा एंड आपकी इंटरपर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स दे विल इंप्रूव अ लॉट. नाउ आपको अप्लाई कैसे करना है? जितने फेमस एनजीओज हैं दे हैव अ करियर्स ऑप्शन इन देयर वेबसाइट. ऑल्सो अगर आपका कोई भी नोन है जो कि एक मेंबर है एनजीओ का, आप उसे बोल सकते हो कि कोई भी लीगल इंटर्नशिप अगर वेकेंट होगी तो आपको इन्फॉर्म कर दे. नाउ द सेकंड टाइप ऑफ इंटर्नशिप इज जुडिशियल इंटर्नशिप. Before we go on, I have an amazing news for you all. Now हम सबका तो litigation में background होता नहीं and corporates usually any news को preference देते हैं. So one of the best options available to you is judiciary and we won't even talk about the status and respect that judges get. So मेरे को बहुत DMs आते हैं कॉलेज में भी. जब मेरे को जूनियर्स मिलते हैं वो मेरे से एक क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं कि भाई हम जुडिशरी की प्रेप कैसे करें. तो जो जुडिशरी की प्रेप करना चाहता है, you should know that physics वाला has introduced huge discounts for their judiciary courses on the 78th Independence Day offer. Now we all know the reputation and goodwill of physics wala and their legal branch judiciary wala has the same repo as well, and on a lot of their courses the discounts are up to 65%. Yes, you have heard me right. So discounts are available on the following courses. Also, one more good news is that if you use the coupon AN1000, you will get an additional 1000 rupees discount. That means the flagship Niti Aayog course, which is worth 50,000 rupees, will be available to you at 1699.
Casual subscribers though.
Now coming back to the judicial internship, you should know that most of the judges prefer 3rd or 4th or 5th year law student. Now how to apply for a judicial internship? First, you can either contact the court staff. Second, you can apply to the court website. And third, there are law related websites which often post vacancies about judicial internship. Now the third type of internship is internship at ministries or government organizations. Now in some of the cases you might need a NOC, that is no objection certificate from your college, but most of the colleges are very comfortable in allowing you to do so. You can apply in the first year itself and there are various forums like Niti Aayog, Income Tax Department, and there are some private institutions as well like Delhi International Arbitration Center or IDRC, etc. So you should check their websites. There are vacancies often posted there, and if you are lucky, you might secure one. Now the fourth place where you can intern is corporate law firms. If you have contacts, you can even intern there in the first year itself. Now it's usually an office job 9 to 5 where you will be mostly assigned research work and drafting work. But if you do 3 or 4 corporate internships well, then you might secure a tier A internship in your final year. And again, their websites have a careers option where you can apply with your CV. Now the fifth type of internship is MNCs or companies. Any organization or any company you know has a legal team, be it Pepsi, Amazon, Netflix, etc. Even the hospitals have a proper legal team. So if you apply to intern there, which is usually done through links, but if you have a good CV, you might secure on your own. If you get an internship there, you will be teamed up to work with the in-house counsels of that particular company or MNC. Now the sixth place where you can intern is law firms. Law firms are basically law offices where multiple lawyers work. Generally your work will be research and attending a lot of court proceedings of different tribunals, courts, etc. A tip I would like to give to you is that if you have a particular interest, let's say white collar crimes or medical negligence, find law firms which have specialization in these domains and then prepare well for the interview, because if you have good knowledge and interest in that particular field, then you are more likely to secure the internship and learn even more. So that will help you in the future as well. Now the last type of internships is court internship, which is the most famous one. So these are basically internships where you work directly under an advocate who usually has a chamber in a particular court. Most of the matters you will be working on will be in that court only, but yes, you will visit other courts as well. Now you can do this internship from the first year itself. And if you have contacts, just ask your family or friends like Papa कोई lawyer पता है, talk to them, make connections, and in most of the cases you won't even need a CV. All they need is your sincerity, honesty and dedication. Again, I would suggest कि आप 2 से 3 internships कम से कम डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट्स में करो. द रीजन बीइंग काफी स्टूडेंट्स डायरेक्टली हाई कोर्ट या सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाते हैं एंड उन्हें बेसिक लॉ ही नहीं पता होता. द वेरी बेसिक्स ऑफ लॉ, द हार्डकोर लिटिगेशन, So if you just want to like show off or flex, you can go to High Court, you can go to Supreme Court. There are dozens of lawyers who will keep you. But if you take my suggestion, do 2 or 3 district court internships before going to the High Court or the Supreme Court. Now if I tell you my internship experiences, I've interned at T. Hazari courts after my first year. I've interned at a law office too after the second year. I've interned at Rohini courts after the third year. I've even been to a senior public prosecutor in Saket court. As you might have guessed, litigation is my cup of tea. But if it isn't yours, definitely check out the Physics Wala's judiciary courses. Also now I'll give you some bonus tips. First is maintain your LinkedIn. It is very important because there are a lot of internship opportunities available on LinkedIn, and connections is the one most important thing you need in this field, that is law. So maintain LinkedIn. Second is take part in extracurricular as well as co-curricular activities. Take part in moot courts, mock trials, get certificate courses, attend webinars, events, even write research papers if you want. All this will make your CV unique and definitely superior to your counterparts. Third tip I would like to give to you is enroll in your college's internship cell or internship committee, whatever it is. Because काफी बार ऐसा होता है that there is an internship committee but most of the students don't even know about it or are not enrolled. Now the fourth and the last bonus tip I would like to give to you is make sure to check websites like Lawoctopus, Lawwoomi, etc. for internship opportunities. They post internship opportunities on a daily basis. So guys, अगर आप इस वीडियो से पहले कंफ्यूज थे कि कहाँ इंटर्नशिप करें, कैसे करें, मिल नहीं रही इंटर्नशिप, आई होप दिस वीडियो क्लियर्ड ऑल योर डाउट्स. मैंने सब कुछ बता दिया इंटर्नशिप से रिलेटेड बेसिक्स. सो फॉर ऑल द फ्रेशर्स एंड जूनियर लॉ स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप दिस video helps you a lot. Make sure to do good in your internships and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.